Today I'm making small floral centerpieces and I'm going to share how I make them. Hello, I am Katie from thecraftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here are the supplies I'm using to make our mini flower arrangements. I got these cute bottles with the cork top from Michaels. I have 2 different types of floral stems. None of these stems are really thick, so I am going to cut them with a pair of jewelry wire cutters. My glass bottles, I'm going to take the corks out. I'm going to start by cutting all of these little stems apart. This stem can be thrown away. Do the same with this one. Now that my individual stems are cut apart, I can just start placing them in these little bottles and arranging them however I want. See how easy that was? There is our first one. Let's grab another one. Stick some of these big floppy leaves in. I use these to give it height. And there is our next one. See how quickly these come together? Grab another bottle. Let's see, this one I want to make a little bit shorter. So I'm just gonna cut that stem off a little bit. And we'll put one more of these in. These are so cute. There are all of our little mini table flower arrangements. Aren't those so pretty? This was such an easy project. It seriously took me 10 minutes to put all of these flowers together, and now I have a cute little centerpiece for my event. Thanks for joining me with this quick little tutorial. I hope you found something useful or learned something new. If you want more fun, free tutorials, check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye. And happy crafting. From this view, it kind of looks like I'm in a jungle and I need to go through the jungle.